Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Tribit FlyBuds C2 earbuds with any Windows PC or laptop. So first of all, before the pairing, just charge them for like 20 minutes by using this USB-C port at the back of the charging case, and also disconnect them from previously connected devices. And the next step, you have to open this charging case and simply take a look for the right and the left indicator. Right now they will turns to the pairing mode, and they will blinks for the red and the blue. As you can see, there we go. So they move to the pairing mode automatically. We have to keep that case open and just put them close to your PC. Next, you have to go for the settings, open Bluetooth and devices on the left side, and then click to add device. Select Bluetooth, and as you can see, they appears on the first place, but we have to select our audio device, this one. So click on them once, and when we are successfully connected, I will recommend you to open the sound settings and just take a look for the output device and the input. As you can see, for the input we have to manually switch. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.